Experience pure mountain breeze from the comfort of your home with unmatched performance and convenience. This compact and captivating AC is also energy efficient. Presenting India's first AC with HEPA filter. It helps purify air, eliminates pollutants, allergens and dust for a healthier living environment. The blue fin coating improves condensation flow and provides protection against rusting. Equipped with a HEPA filter. The PM 1.0 sensor and AQI indicator monitor air quality and indicates tiny airborne particles. Experience cooling even in extreme temperatures up to 52 degrees Celsius. Its super silent operation ensures